Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 81 power 4 minus 81 power 3. So we start by expressing this for here as summation of 3 and 1, so that it corresponds with this 3 here. I have 81 power, this is 3 plus 1 minus 81 power 3. Now, if you have a power n plus m, this equals a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this here, we have 81 to the power of 3 times 81 to the power of 1 minus 81 to the power of 3. So we can factor out 81 to the power of 3 here. I have 81 to the power of 3 times. This divides 81 power 3. I have 81 minus 81 power 3 divides 81 power 3. I have 1. So from here, I'll have 81 power 3 times 81 minus 1. That is 80. Now, we need to find the value of 81. We need to express it in terms of 3. So you have 81 equals 3 power 4. So we have 3 to the power of 4. This is raised to the power of 3 times 80. Now, if you have a to the power of n, this is raised to the power of m. This equals a power n times m. So we multiply this out. We have 3 to the power of 12, that is 4 times 3, and this is times 80. And we can express this as summation of 10 and 2. So this is 3 to the power of 10 plus 2 times 80. And we can apply this identity, a power n plus m equals a power n times a to the power of m. We apply this right here. So this will give us 3 to the power of 10 times 3 to the power of 2 times 80. So from here, we can have 3 to the power of 10 times 3 to the power of 2 is 9 times 80. Now, we can express this as 3 to the power of 5 times 2 times 9 times 80. Now, if you have a to the power of n times n, this equals a power n to the power of m. So from here, we have 3 power of 5 raised to the power of 2 times 9 times 80. And from here, we have 3 to the power of 5 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And this is 9, 27, 81. This is 243. So we have 243 to the power of 2 times 9 times 80. Now we need to find out 243 power 2. We have 243 power 2. This equals 243 times 243. So we multiply this out. 3 times 3, that is 9. 3 times 4, 12. 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, we have 7. 4 times 3, 12. 2 carry over 1. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17. 7 carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, we have 9. Then 2 times 3, we have 6. 2 times 4, we have 8. 2 times 2, we have 4. So we are going to add this together. This is 9. This is 4. This is 20. 0 over 2 and add to 9. That is 11 plus 8, 19. 9 carry 1 out here. That is 59049. So we have 59049 times 9 times 18. Let's start by multiplying 59049 times 9. So we have 59049 times 9. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 4, 36 plus 8, 44. 4 carry over 4. 9 times 0, 0 plus 4. We have 4. 9 times 9 again, we have 81. 1 carry over 8. And 9 times 5, we have 45 plus 8, that is 53. So we are going to multiply this by 80. So what we have here is 531441 times 80. Let's multiply this out. 531441 times 80. We are going to start by making use of 0 to multiply everything first. 0 times 1, and 0, 0 times 4, 0 times 4 again, 0 times 1, 0 times 3, 0, 0 times 5, we have 0. Then we are going to multiply everything using 8. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 4, 32, 2 carry over 3. 8 times 4 again, 32. 32 plus 3, 35. 5 carry over 3. 8 times 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry over 1. 8 times 3, 24 plus 1, 25. 5 carry over 2. 8 times 5, 40. 40 plus 2, 42. We add up together. This is 0, 8, 2, 5, 1, 5, 4, 2. So we have this right now. 42,515,280 as our answer for 81 power 4 minus 81 power 3. This is 42515,280. This also is the same as having 81 is 3 power 4 raised to the power of 4 minus 3 power 4 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as this. 42515,280. If you multiply this and multiply this, you end up having 3 power 16 minus 3 power 12. And this is 42,515,280. So guys, that is it. And I believe you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you. And goodbye. See you in our next video.